Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can transfer Paysafecard to PayPal, right? So you have to just go to the Google and on the search bar you have to type transfer pay, right? And after that you will see this kind of the websites and links available here. So you have to just click any of the, so let's say if I want to click on this, and here after clicking on that you will see this kind of interface, right? You can also choose the first one, but somehow this is not working. That's why these are the both are the same website, right? So and after that you have to enter the card code and your email address and the balance, right? So if I just type on after balance, and it will, after that we have to click on the transfer and our amount will be get transfer, right? As you can see here, only 3% fees on transaction higher than 25 euros, right? So this is it guys. I hope you found this video really helpful, and if you did, like this video right now, subscribe our channel, and see you in the next video. Till that time, take care.